Welcome back everyone to another tutorial. Today we're going to see how to fix Valorant Vanguard out of compliance error. First thing you need to try is to update Windows. Outdated Windows versions can cause compatibility problems with Riot's Vanguard anti-cheat system. Just keep your system updated to ensure proper functioning. Open the settings on your Windows 11, then go to the Update and Security section. Select Windows Update, then click on Check for Updates. Install any available updates and follow the on-screen instructions. Then when you're done, restart your PC and check if the issue is fixed. If it's not, repair game files. Corrupt or missing Valorant files can also trigger this error. You can fix it using the Riot Client's repair tool. Just firstly launch the Riot Client tool on your desktop. Click your profile icon and select Settings. Now go to the Valorant section and click Repair to start the file integrity check. Wait for the process to complete and the client will automatically replace damaged files. And that's it guys, I hope you enjoyed it, thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.